Hello everyone. Today we'll study some text formatting features of OpenOffice.org writer, that is word processor. So firstly, what do you mean by text formatting? Text मतलब क्या होता है? This thing what is written, this is text, right? And formatting means we will format it, will change its format, font style, font color. Now, sometimes when you write in your activity book, you use different pen, you make different background, you apply background, then you change your writing style. All those things you do now. So similarly, here also we can do it. Now I have written this text normally. So first I want to format this thing. So how will I do it? Firstly, just select the text. Suppose this first line only I want to format. I'll select this first line with the help of mouse, left mouse button. I've selected this, then go to format and click on character. Go to format and click on character. So this character dialog box appears on the screen. Now, here you have many options are there. Firstly, it is font, then typeface, and then style. You have these things. So in the font tab, you can select any font style. There are many font styles. So you can select any one. See, we'll select any one font style. Suppose we have selected this font style, Comic Sans MS. So can you see this change in the font? This box shows you the preview कि ये अगर हम लोग change करेंगे इसका font type तो ये कैसा दिखाई देगा. It will show you the preview. Then font face, here you have 4 different font faces. First is regular, bold, italic. See, regular is normal. I'll click on bold. दिखाई दे रहा है ये dark हो गया. Now if I suppose click on italic, see, cross हो गया. And I want both bold and italic. See, cross and dark. So suppose we'll select bold and we'll select only bold over here. Next. Now this is very small ना, बहुत छोटा है. I want to इसकी size बढ़ानी है. So over here you have the option size. I'll select 24 suppose. देखो font size change हो गई. Now it will be clearly visible. And click on OK button after you do this. See, the font size, style and font typeface has changed. Now, good morning. I want to change the font of this. Good morning. I'll select this. Click on format. Character. Again, select any one font. I'll make it italic. And here also I'll change the font size. Then the next thing what we can do is font effect. I can give effect to this. Now suppose I want it underlined. So I can select, see, single means single underline, double means 2 lines, dotted means dotted underline, dash. So there are many underline options available over here. Next, over here we can change the color of the underline also. Suppose I want to make the underline color red. See, the color has changed to red. Then, here we have strike through. See, single strike means it will strike, it will cancel this. Then other option is double. So, 2 line will strike. Then bold with suppose x. So see the change. Say x axis strike hoga, cut hoga. So we'll not keep anything in the strike. Next is font color. What do you mean by font color? The color of this text, that is font color. We can change it. Suppose we'll put it as blue. See, the font color has changed to blue. Now you can even change the effect. You can change the effects. Click on effect. I want everything in capital, so I'll select capitals. See, suppose I want everything in small, so I'll select lowercase. You have title, or else small capital. This is small capital, that is the first letter will be capital, sorry, big, and the other all will be small. Everything in capital. Suppose we select the small capital. Then next option is relief. So what is there in relief? See, suppose embossed. I have selected embossed. Here the difference is not so clear. See, engraved. You have embossed and engraved. If you don't change the font color, if you keep it normal, then you can see the difference. This is embossed, and this is engraved. Can you see the difference between embossed and this is engraved? So suppose we'll keep it engraved and then click on OK. So the font of this good morning is also formatted. Now I want to change the font of this how are you. So I'll select how are you, click on format, character. So in the font tab, firstly I'll select any font over here. I'll make it bold italic and we'll change the font size to 22 suppose. Then the next thing that we are going to study is position. Here you have normal, superscript and subscript. Have you seen sometimes something is written up, something is written down? When you write, suppose you are in first standard, so how will you write it? You'll write 1 and ST over there on the top of 1. So that could be done using this superscript and subscript. See, I'll explain you with an example. Suppose over here for this good morning, I want G मुझे यहीं पे चाहिए है, O नीचे आना चाहिए, दूसरा O ऊपर जाना चाहिए, ऐसे ऊपर नीचे लिखा हुआ चाहिए. तो मैं क्या करूँगी? Firstly, I'll select G, click on format, character, suppose superscript. Superscript मतलब क्या होगा? See, this is normal and this is superscript. Superscript मतलब क्या हुआ? ये लाइन के ऊपर चला गया है. See, I'll just do and show you. Click on OK. Can you see this? G is printed upside. O, I'll let it be on its position. Again, this second O, I'll click on format, character, and again I'll make this superscript. ये भी लाइन से ऊपर चला गया है. Click on OK. See? Now M मुझे वापस ऊपर चाहिए. So what will I click? Click on. I'll select M. Click on format, character, and superscript. OK. O नीचे ही आएगा. फिर मुझे फिर से R ऊपर चाहिए. So I'll just select R. Click on format, character, and superscript. Click on OK. So can you see the difference? Likewise, you can do of this whole line, of this whole thing. ऐसे ऊपर नीचे लिख सकते हो आप using superscript and subscript. Now I'll show you an example of this. सबस्क्रिप्ट, दिस वॉज सुपरस्क्रिप्ट, ये लाइन से ऊपर दिखाई देगा. नाउ व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय सबस्क्रिप्ट? सपोज आई विल सिलेक्ट दिस G, click on format, character, and over here in the position tab click on subscript. तो क्या होगा, यहाँ पे दिखाई दे रहा है लाइन से नीचे प्रिंट होगा. सी G नीचे चला गया है. So likewise you can do the use superscript and subscript over here to edit the text, to format the text. So position is done. Now what next? Suppose this how are you is written. मुझे इसे कुछ बैकग्राउंड अप्लाई करना है. So I will click on format, character and background. Select any one background. Suppose yellow. I've selected yellow and click on OK. See, इसका बैकग्राउंड येलो हो गया है. Next, now this hello everyone is written. So I want hello on the left side ऐसा लिखा होना चाहिए and everyone ऐसे. So I can change the position of this hello. So select hello, click on format, character, go to position tab. Now we'll rotate this by suppose 270 degree and click on OK. देखो 270 में ये आ रहा है, ऐसा आ रहा है ना, हेलो इस तरफ फेस कर रहा है. नाउ आई वांट टू फेस इट दिस साइड. क्लिक ऑन अगेन फॉर्मेट, कैरेक्टर. सपोज इफ आई सिलेक्ट 90 डिग्री, रोटेटेड बाय 90 डिग्री, तो कैसा आएगा? सी हेलो ऐसा लिखा है एंड एवरीवन ऐसा. लाइकवाइज यू कैन रोटेट द टेक्स्ट. So I think how to format the text is clear to everyone. So that was all for today. Thank you everyone.